Today guys, I show you how to download Spotify on your PC and how to create account. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, all you need to do, just open your browser like me and type on Google download Spotify and open this first site, click on it and you will see download Spotify. But first, create fast account. In right corner you will see sign up, click on it and type your mail here. The fastest way is register with Google. Just click here register with Google, choose your Google account like me, check this, make your name, your date of birth and go here next and go here register. After you create account, go back, click here on download and you will see this, open with Spotify app on your PC. Just click this. If you don't have app, you will see installation guide. And that's it all guys for this video, how to download and install Spotify on your PC and how to make Spotify account. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.